In our modern world, people spend most of their lives in enclosed spaces. We travel from our house or apartment to work in an office or study in school. The rest of our available time is spent in restaurants, movie theaters, museums, shopping malls, and hotels. Along with technological advances, indoor life over the last 2 centuries has become more prevalent. Interior designers have contributed to improving the quality of life spent within the built environment.
Professional organizations were formed to help and protect the position of interior designers, such as International Interior Design Association, or IIDA, American Society of Interior Designers, ASID, the National Council for Interior Design Qualification, NCIDQ, Council for Interior Design Accreditation, CIDA, and Interior Designers for Legislation in New York, IDLNY.
In New York State, the gold standard of this profession is Certified Interior Designer, CID. The practice of interior design is defined as rendering or offering to render services for a fee or other valuable consideration in the preparation and administration of interior design documents, including drawings, schedules, and specifications, which pertain to the planning and design of interior spaces, including furnishings, layouts, fixtures, cabinetry, lighting, finishes, materials, and interior construction not materially related nor affecting the building systems, all of which shall comply with applicable laws, codes, regulations, and standards.
Within the profession of interior design, there are plenty of opportunities for designers to showcase their talents, match their skills, and natural aptitude with projects. Some of the specialties are residential design, or one of the many areas of contract design, such as retail, hospitality, entertainment, educational, institutional, healthcare, and corporate. It is important to understand that interior designers have knowledge of and work collaboratively with related professions who are involved in many aspects of projects. Interior designers are responsible for the health, safety, and welfare of the public and must maintain the same competency and standards of practice as other design professionals. Today's challenges require interior designers to bring together sustainable solutions with not only artistic concepts of time, space, and setting, but also a broad range of design disciplines to create the most aesthetically pleasing, functional, and effective settings for everyday life.
For example, they plan educational facilities that encourage and stimulate creative learning experiences, design office spaces that enhance productivity and improve employee morale, and design healthcare facilities that help people recover. It takes a combination of education and practice to acquire the necessary knowledge to become a successful interior design professional. Individuals may choose different paths, but the following steps, known as the 3 E's, Education, Experience, Examination, are the most common way to become a certified interior designer.
Education is the foundation of the profession. In New York State, there are 12 interior design programs offering bachelor's degrees. Other options include associate's or master's degree programs. Students learn a wide range of subjects that will prepare them for work in the field of interior design. Some of these are design elements and principles, color and lighting theory, human factors, drafting, architectural detailing, presentation techniques, history of interior design, building codes and local regulations, ADA and universal design, materials, methods of installation, sustainability, green design, and professional practice. During school years, students have exposure and opportunities to gear their development toward their preference among the various fields of interior design.
Experience is the next step. It is the opportunity to put the education into an application framework. A graduate can hone their skills in many areas of interior design under the supervision of a senior designer. It is a critical time for the emerging professional to expand their horizons, learn more about business, work in the codes-based environment, attend lectures and shows, become active in professional organizations, and gain greater depth of understanding in the field.
The exam consists of 2 multiple-choice sections and a drawing practicum. Beginning in 2013, NCIDQ will allow candidates who have completed their education but not yet completed their required work experience to take one of the 2 multiple-choice sections. There has been no change to NCIDQ's requirements for the NCIDQ certificate or to the exam content. This change makes it easier for recent graduates to start on their professional path. Successful completion of the examination leads to the respected NCIDQ certificate, the credential of choice for interior designers. In New York State, interior designers with NCIDQ certification in hand, along with the required education and work experience, can then apply to the state to become a certified interior designer, CID, the gold standard of the profession.
Remember, education, experience, and examination, the 3 E's, are the path to become a certified interior design professional, CID.
In the profession of interior design, maintaining an extensive knowledge base to analyze and develop solutions to interior design problems requires continued education, training, and industry involvement. These practices are essential in staying competitive in this challenging and rewarding field. Expertise in effectively evaluating and integrating interior design elements with viable and sustainable solutions will improve and enhance the health, safety, and quality of life of all users.
This video has been brought to you by IDLNY, a coalition dedicated to advance, promote, and protect the right to practice interior design in the state of New York. IDLNY's efforts are focused on making certified interior designers the gold standard of the profession. IDLNY strives to inform and educate the New York legislative and regulatory bodies, interior designers, and consumers about the issues confronting the interior design profession. IDLNY also continually monitors legislation that could affect the practice of interior design and serves as a representative coalition for this process.